Good morning, students. Welcome to class with mathematics. Today we will have new topic, that is multiplication of decimal numbers. Students, it is quite interesting that's how we can multiply the decimal number. Before starting the multiplication of decimal number, let us the recall the things that in previously we have already done the multiplication of the whole number. Let us suppose we have number is there 34 multiplied by 3. So how I can multiply it? 4 3 are 3 are 9, 1 10, 102. So this is the rule of multiplication. That's how we can multiply the number. Now let us suppose if the numbers is in decimal. Now we have the numbers in decimal. In that case, how we can multiply it? So dear students, it's quite easy. Nothing to worry. The multiplication, the law of multiplication is remains same, right? Only the new concept is added here, that is the use of decimal. That's where the decimal we can use in the multiplication. Now let us suppose I have a number is there 0.6. I have to multiply it by 5, right? So now don't worry how we can multiply it, right? We have to multiply it. What is the difference here? Here the only decimal we have in this question. So now we have certain ways to multiply the decimal number. The best way, I think, that's I going to give you, that is what? Ignore the decimal, means you will ignore it, means if there is no decimal, that is 0.6 and it is multiplied by 5. So how, what is the answer? 6 5 are the 30, 5003 balance there, 5300 and 30. So when we ignoring the decimal, that is what? If we multiply the number without a decimal, then what is the answer? 30, right? Now if we multiplying with number without decimal, that comes 30. Now what happen if we multiply it by decimal? With decimal, so product is 30, without decimal product is 30. Now what we have to do, we have to just see how many digits are there after decimal. Here only one digit is there after decimal, only one digit is there. So that means in the product we have one digit should be there after decimal. So we count it right from here, right? One digit, 0 is the one single digit, and you will put decimal here. So after decimal, one digit in the product, right? So let us take another example. I have another example is there, that is 1.4 multiplied by 2, right? What will be the answer? So dear students, firstly you will multiply the number without decimal, means 1.4 write it as 14. Now multiply it by 2. So what will be the answer? 28. So 28, okay? Without decimal the answer is 28. So with decimal, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Now we have a decimal is there, so we will use the decimal in the product. So after decimal, how many digits are there? After decimal, we have one digit is there. So in answer, we must have one digit after decimal. One digit after decimals, one digit is also there. So now we have the answer is 2.8. That means 1.4 when multiplied by 2, the answer will be 2.8. Now let us take another example. 0.65 multiplied by 5. Okay, so what will be the answer? So to find the answer, firstly what we do, we will multiply it without decimal, means we will ignore the decimal. So you will write here, okay, ignore the decimal. So 0.65 is multiplied by 5. So multiply it, 5 are 25, 2 balance, 5 6 are 32, 32 0. So your answer will be 325. 325, it is the answer when we ignore the decimal. Now with decimal, what will be the answer? So after decimal, here we have two digits are there. Okay, after decimal we have two digits are there. So in answer we must have two digits after decimal. So your answer will be 3.25. Okay, now let us take another example. 15 multiplied by 0.7. Okay, 0.7. So 15 multiplied by 0.7. So don't worry, again it's quite easy. What will do? You will multiply 15 by, ignore the decimal. If you ignore the decimal, so here we have the number 15, 5 7 are the 35, 7 is 7 3 10 और 0 से मल्टीप्लाई अगर आप करना चाहते हैं तो कर सकते हो, नहीं करना है तो मत करिए, कोई ऐसा ज़रूरी भी नहीं है. ओके, नाउ योर आंसर मीन्स 105. So 105, right? This is the answer when we ignore the decimal. Now use the decimal. Why? Because decimal is there in the multiplicand and multiplier, right? So here decimal is there. After decimal, how many digits are there? One digit is there. So in the answer there should be one digit after decimal. So your answer will be 10.5. Okay. Now what happen if we have both the number, both multiplicand and multiplier are decimal number? So let us suppose 6.5 multiplied by 0.7. Both multiplicand and multiplier are decimal number. So again, nothing to worry it. It is quite easy. You will ignore the decimal. You will ignore the decimal. Without decimal, you multiply it. What will the answer? Right? After the 0, 5 are 0, 0, 0 are the 0, then your answer will be, okay. So without decimal, the answer is 0.35. Now we will use the decimal here. Why? Because there is a decimal in the multiplicand and multiplier. So how many digits after decimals? One digit is here, one digit is here. So after decimal, total number of digits are there. 1 is here plus 1 is here. 1 plus 1, 2. Total digits are 2. So in the decimal part, in the answer, we must have 2 digits after decimal. Okay. Now we have some other examples are there. That is, if 35 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7 5 are the 35, 7 3 are 21, 20, 245. So, right? What happened when 3.5 is multiplied by 7? Then what should be the answer? That is, what should be the answer? Now, look at this question and this one. Both are the similar. Only difference is there. Decimal is no decimal. Means here the multiplication is done without decimal. Here we have to do the multiplication with decimal, right? So without decimal, what is the product? 245. So 3.5. Ignore the decimal. Is a 35 multiplied by 7. Again, the product will 245, right? Now with decimal, how many digits are there after decimal? 1, so the answer will be 24.5. In the similar way, 0.35 multiplied by 7. Now 35, ignore the decimal, it's again 35 multiplied by 7, so the answer is 245, again the same product. But after decimal, how many digits are there? 2. So your answer, the 2 digits after decimal should be there. Now if you multiply 0.035 multiply by 7, so what will be the answer? What should be the answer there? 245 in the same product. Now how many digits after decimal? 3 digits are there, so in the product there should be 3 digits after decimal, so your answer will be 0.245. okay, here 3 digits. Okay, in this way you can solve the worksheet number 1 and 2. Thank you and have a nice day, please.